here. It's like gratitude. It's a privilege for joining in FLTCC. Because any learning platform is always a privilege to join in and to to share and contribute our views. It's all together. It's not only about sharing, it's more about it for the learning process basically. So thank you so much, Mr. Jitendra, for having me here. And so good evening everyone. I don't know who all are the students over here, who all are working people. I believe there is a mix of audience altogether. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
correct.
Yeah, you need to respond to me, otherwise I'll feel like I'm alone, I'm talking basically. Yeah, okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
okay,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so today's topic, everybody is aware about the today's topic? Anybody want to talk about it? What is the today's topic basically?
Power
Are
of
we aware?
positive thinking.
Power of positive thinking. Okay, so how many of you actually have ever heard this word, power of positive thinking? Like, have you ever heard about this word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you all have heard about this word, right? Okay. So first of all, when we talk about power of thinking, this is something, a topic which is relevant to any age group, whether it's a kiddo, whether it's a youngsters, or a teacher, or a housewife, or entrepreneurs or startups, anybody. Because when we talk about power of positive thinking, that talks about ourselves, not about the public, or not about our business, not about our personal life. It's a professional life. It's about a self talk first of all, right? So we are talking about self right now here. So when we say power of positive thinking, so when you say power, what do you understand by the word power? What do you understand by word power?
Ma'am,
Anybody?
the power, ma'am, in this concept, it's saying that the what impact does positive thinkings put in our life, how it changes some person, and
Correct.
how they take decision
the
about their
will,
life.
Okay. Okay.
zeal, the zest to achieve something, to acquire something, to
uh,
aspire something.
uh, okay. So power means it's energy, right? We are putting too much of power on something. Am I right? It's a energy. When we talk about power, the force basically, right? We are
Yes, ma'am.
forcing something, right? So now when we talk about power of positive thinking, first of all I would like to know how this we are into from last 6 months, this COVID period, we all had experiences, whether it's a positive experiences or whatever the experiences we all had some experiences, correct? This was the time when we have really understood something new, completely a new age, or new completely new situation. It's a pandemic situation, and we have never ever gone through this situation ever in our life. So this is very much new for everybody, or even we can say for the any age group basically, right? So anybody can want to share with me how was your experience, what was your experiences last 4 months or 5 months, this pandemic time. How was your experience altogether basically? Anyone can share, like anybody, like. So I would like to know the different experiences here, so we can relate and we can talk more about it basically. And definitely, I'll share my experience also all together. Like, yeah. So anybody want to share how was your experience in the professional front, in the personal fronts, even in your life? How was your experience health wise? How was your experience? Yeah.
Um, Good evening, ma'am. My name is Rashi, and
Hi, Rashi.
experiences have been varied in terms of both personal as well as professional. But what we
Okay.
can say that this pandemic taught us was the power of resilience, the power to be consistent, and
Okay.
also, I mean, this according to me is the power and consistency in no matter what you do from basic everyday routines to even your office work. You know,
Ah.
the consistency level may vary, but then your ability also to be
Hmm.
consistent has to be constant for you to be successful in anything, even for household chores for that matter. Sometimes
Hmm.
you're beaten up, battered, you're too tired to even get up and pick up a glass of water for your own self,
Hmm.
but then if that desire is not there, that willingness is not there, probably it would be very difficult to go through one day at a time. Because being locked up at one place, it's difficult for somebody to be, somebody who's very outgoing to be constrained at one place. A lot of negative impacts come into your mind, a lot of negative things come into your mind. But then every day you have to get up, tell yourself, no, this is one day, tomorrow's going to be another day. We just have to get through this one day. If this one day is okay, tomorrow is going to be better. The third day is going to be even better. So, if you keep constantly telling yourself, I think that's how each day changes.
That's really wonderful, Rashi. Like I can see lots of potential, positive potential you already carry in yourself, basically. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. That's what is the topic is all about. Like yeah, and definitely what you're talking is it's what is we are going to share today also, and that's what is the topic is all about. So yes, as Rashi said, like when we say कि आज का दिन है, it's today. Today it's a day, and tomorrow it's again a new day. But that situation is not equal for everybody. Rashi family might be different, Tejul family might be different, Tejul atmosphere and surroundings might be different, Tejul challenges might be different, Tejul working style might be different. At the same level, Tejul age might be different. So there must be a person who is a 70-year-old man, and there might be a kiddo who is a 5-year-old of a kid, basically, who is not at all habituated or addicted to this kind of atmosphere when you are sitting in the home whole time 24 hours and then just sitting watching the TVs or somewhere, like watching the same faces all around when you are sitting at the home, basically. So altogether it's a different experience for the different people over here. So when we say that the power of yeah, so okay, can you please keep it on mute? Okay, yeah. So when we say about the power of positive thinking, so when the word itself, see in a day, a human being mind 60,000 thoughts comes in our mind. You all know this thing. In a whole day, minimum 60,000, on an average 60,000 thoughts comes in our mind. In that, 85% is the negative thoughts. So negative thoughts in sense like fear, lots of extra thought thinking, what am I going to do, how it's going to happen, fear, losing of job or losing of any person or losing of anything, like it can be anything, or maybe not even fear of anything, just sitting idly and just thinking like anywhere. Even right now when we are talking, when we are sitting in this particular session also, we are thinking right now, because mind cannot stop thinking. That's how our brain is made up of, basically. So you all must be knowing that we have conscious and subconscious mind. You all know this thing? Just acknowledge yes or no. You
Yes,
all
ma'am, we
know
know.
this thing? Yeah. So
Yes,
right
ma'am,
now we
that's
are
true.
conscious. Yeah, so right now we are conscious, right? We are consciously talking to each other. Right now we are very much aware with each other. Right now we are available with each other. So that's a conscious mind. We are talking with each other. But we do have the subconscious mind also. We know this thing, right? There's a conscious mind and there is a subconscious mind, correct? So when we talk about power of positive thinking, so when 85% when we talk about the negative thoughts, so what exactly is going to happen then? You all know that we are energy. You know this thing that we all are energy. This universe is made up of energy. You all know this thing,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
correct?
yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. So we all are energy, right? So our vibrations that goes that it's like right now when we are talking, that time also subconsciously we are storing something, basically. So I don't know how many of you are aware about the movie, the Secret movie, or you all have read the book The Secret, basically. I don't know how many of you have read it, like. So when we talk about this particular thinking, our personality, what do you mean by personality? With different person, as I said, कि हर आदमी का experience different होता है, correct? So different people, different age group, and different experience of this particular COVID time also. So it might be different for me, and it can be a different for other person. So there is a altogether different experience, and at the same time, Rashi might be too much positive about to handle the situation. But at the same time, sometimes even she might have got depressed or negative about कि क्या routine चल रहा है यार, like it's a very very monotonous routine and I can't get through this particular routine, because like not sitting at home whole time, and even if I'm working or even if I'm studying at home, but still getting too much more monotonous atmosphere actually. So coming back to the point of positive thinking, so our personality. What do you mean by personality? Can anybody tell me what do you understand by the word personality? Anyone?
I think it's your inner self. Well, my name is Shivam, and this is my first time. So, so I think personality means your inner self, how you behave, how you talk to the
Okay.
people, and how you take decisions in your life in a negative way or in a positive way. So I think to
Right.
sum up, this all defines what is positive, like what is personality, I guess.
Okay. Yes. Quite near. May I know your name, please? What's your
Ma'am,
name?
My name is Shivam.
Shivam. Yes, Shivam. Yes, Rashi.
the characteristics or the traits that build up an individual, uh, comprise of his personality. The traits that I carry, the qualities that I carry, the values that I carry with me, probably all put together would, make up my personality as an individual.
Huh. So where does this traits comes from?
I mean, it could be a lot of things. Could be my upbringing. Could be the values that have been instilled. Could be the
So where
societal
does this
learning, the things
where
that
does
I'm.
this values comes from? Where does this values come from? So yeah, Rashi, you were saying something, please. Yes,
It basically, everything combined together, the personality basically is like the characteristics that you carry, the values that you carry, the values that have been instilled from childhood to probably looking around things that you've experienced around you, values that you acquired or have been instilled, all put together probably build up your personality, your experiences from
I'll make it
society.
very simple. I'll make it very simple. Tell me one thing in the morning, whenever you get up, the very first thing what we do, whenever we get up, just opening our eyes. First of all, we open our eyes, right? Before even opening, or maybe immediately when we open our eyes, what exactly we do? Immediately.
Probably thank God that you've had another day to get up,
Okay.
be
And
grateful about it.
yes. Anyone else? So she thanks the God. Okay. And anyone else? Yes. Shivam, what do you do?
I woke up basically in the afternoon,
Checking your
so
mobile.
no way. This is the only phone I have. So I like basically I woke up in the afternoon, and I really don't thank because I don't have this kind of idea when I just woke up in the afternoon. So I just try to live a day as in a productive way, you know.
Just one word. What do you do once you get up in the morning? इतना
Uh,
लंबा thesis लिखना नहीं है.
I I
As soon as you
spend
get up, what exactly you do? Like as soon as you get up, like immediately, within a second,
uh,
I'm saying,
I use my phone for 15 minutes in the morning.
So that's what I said. Now, correct.
Yeah.
And yeah. So okay, and yeah, Aparna, anyone else? What do you do? As soon as
Ma'am,
you get up, what do you do?
I wake up 5:30 in the
Yeah.
morning and then prepare my first meal, the oat and the eggs meal. So after
No,
1 hour,
that is like you get up immediately. I'm asking. Once you open your
immediately.
eyes, immediately. Yeah. As
Nothing,
soon
ma'am.
as you
Think
get
of the
up.
day. What do I have to do today?
Correct.
What will be my
Correct.
schedule?
That is the first thing we do. We think. Even when you want to pray for God, you think, I want to pray for God, right? That's what we do. Even when
Yes.
you want to check mobile, immediately you think that I want to check my mobile. So what is the first thing we do? We do thinking. So 24 hours we do, that is the one thing we do is thinking, like, right? Consciously, subconsciously, we only do thinking. In a day, there's a 60,000 thoughts comes in our mind. So this is the first thing, thinking. What is the second thing you do? Once your mind has given you command that I want to thank my God, right? So what is the second thing you do?
Action.
Immediately what you do when your mind has given you command that I want to check my mobile. So what is the second thing you do?
We do
Go
action.
ahead and do it.
We proceed to do.
Correct. So second thing is taking the action. Correct. Immediately you take the action at that time, right? Once you
Yeah.
first thing we start thinking. Second thing, you start taking the action. Correct. And then what is the third thing is there? Once the thinking has started, the command, you got the command, and second thing that you have taken the action. What is the third thing now?
Ma'am, completion of the command.
So that comes into action only. Now, once when you have started thinking, then I have to thank the God, I have to check my mobile. You have taken the action. Third thing is gradually it becomes your habit now. It has become your habit now. Daily we are doing the same thing most of the time. Correct?
Yeah,
That's what is our
exactly,
habit.
exactly.
And gradually it has become now our behavior pattern. That has become our behavior pattern, correct? So now, once your behavior, that becomes your behavior, and that is your now personality, and that becomes your personality. So what is your personality? It's your outcome of our thinking process, basically. So first of all, what we do, we start thinking. Second thing we do, start taking the action. And third thing what we do, it has gradually become our habit. Daily I have to clean my teeth, right? Daily I have to take my bath. Same time, same routine, right? Sometimes it might be different, but that has become our, we become habituated about it. And gradually that becomes our behavior pattern. Suppose someone is very much habituated of getting irritated, someone is like, very much getting they get immediate anger, very small things, get irritated for the small things, and you can see that like iski aadat hi hai. We say like that, iski to aadat hi hai. So when Rashi said that's the upbringing wala cheez or the values wala thing, where does this upbringing and the values comes from? When we were kiddo, that time we were not aware about the our mother tongue, right? We all are from the different families basically. So हमें नहीं पता था what language we are going to learn or what is the language we are going to grab over here. So gradually we learn that thing. So what we did, we have captured that language, correct? And now it has
Yeah.
become our habit, correct? So what is the personality? So when we say ki, the great personality, who you call great personality? We call Abdul Kalam ji somewhere, right? We call, who else is a great personality according to you? Your father. He's an
Yeah.
idol. Who is our idols? Yeah. Who is a great personality here? Anybody? Any name? Any name you want to say? Who you call the great personality? We
Ma'am,
call
there
great.
is no particular one from which we can learn. Like, I basically I don't know about others, but I don't have like someone only single one personality. I have so many idols in my life that we can
Correct. So
learn
no, I'm
something
not
from
saying
someone.
no. There is a different characteristics in the different people. Correct. There's a different thing. But when we talk about the great personality, so how does they become the great personality? So they are the outcome of their habits and their behavior. Correct. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Or
Yes,
just
Yes,
ma'am.
because
ma'am.
they
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, just because they look good, hence we do we say कि अरे उसकी great personality because वो बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. Models को can we say great personality? Can we say to the models their great personality just because of their looks?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No. Correct? Because of their deeds, because of their values and ethics, we say them the great personality. Because of the contribution what they have done to the society, we say them the great personality. And we have n numbers of people like that. Correct? So when we say what is great person, it's the outcome of your personality, your thought process. Sorry, outcome of your thought process. Now coming back to the point of the positive thinking, right? So when we say energy, when we talk about the thinking process, these people were outcome, as Rashi said, when we constantly thinking about something, that becomes our habit and that becomes our nature and behavior basically. So we all are energy. You must have heard about law of attraction. Have you ever heard about law of attraction? Anybody have heard law of attraction? Any idea? You all know we are energy.
I read in the books The Secret, Law of
Yes. Okay.
Attraction.
Okay.
It, there is very
So are
famous
you agree with the
dialogue in the
point of
movie
that
as
you
well.
are energy? Can you relate with the point that you are energy?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, Dheeraj, are you? Can you agree with the point that we all are energy?
Yes, yes, and I think it's scientifically proved that we all
Proven
are.
also.
Yeah, we
Correct.
are all the energy, which is
Yes.
it's like a
So
combination of
I will
cells and energy.
correct. So I will give a very simple example here. Uh, Sometimes we remember any of our friend, or we like to eat some food or something like that, right? Or immediately you get call from that person. Does this happen with everyone? Or we immediately get that food sometimes, like we are thinking
Sometimes
for
happens. It sometimes does
yeah,
Sometimes.
happen.
Yeah.
yes, and this happens with everybody, right?
That's
Acha,
Yeah,
when
I think
when
probably,
yeah,
I
Rashmi.
think probably positive or negative thoughts that you have somehow down the line bring back that
Correct,
positivity or negativity into our
correct,
lives during the long
correct.
run. I mean, the way you
Yes.
think
So
does a lot
yeah,
to what happens in your life usually.
yes. So that's the reason I've given you example of that personality wala. The thinking process starts, the action starts, and then you become habituated, and that becomes your behavior, and that becomes your personality basically. So अगर किसी को बहुत ज्यादा suppose सोने की आदत है, तो वो क्या होता है? That becomes our habit also, right? And that is the outcome you are going to get out of it. So what you do, that is the outcome of your personality, correct? So now coming back to the point of energy,
And too
vibrations
much
हमारे जाते
sleeping can also be escapism sometimes.
हाँ, so that is again thinking process now. That's a thinking
Right,
pattern now. When we
right.
even procrastination is also a thinking pattern now. We have made that habit actually. Even when
Habit.
you skip
Right.
something, that's our nature. और ये अभी भी
Right.
जो
Absolute.
हाँ, ये पेंडेमिक टाइम जो अभी गया है यहाँ पे, तो हर इंसान का everybody is having different experience, everyone is having different outcome of it basically. Yes, economy might have affected to everyone, but again results are not same for everybody basically, right?
that's so.
So why? Because of your thinking pattern and because of your how you actually reciprocate to the situation basically. Because the situation is same for everyone, pandemic is same from everybody, but how you thought, how you give respond to the situation, that will be giving you the outcome of the particular situation basically. So when we talk about energy, our vibrations, when we give too much of energy into negative vibes, so what is the outcome you are going to get out of it? You know,
Negative.
all
Negative.
the disease negative itself. होगा ना कि सारे डिजीज जो भी बॉडी में आते हैं या जो भी होते हैं, दैट इज मोर ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ द नेगेटिव थॉट. यू नो दिस थिंग, बॉडी में जितने भी डिजीज होते हैं, मैक्सिमम इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द नेगेटिव थॉट्स.
Right.
यू ऑल नो दिस थिंग. या
Yes,
दिस इज
ma'am.
वन
We
ऑफ
have even heard
द
in some courts like our elder people say like it's not कभी कभार ऐसे होता है कि सांप का जहर नहीं मारता पर कई बार डर से मर जाता है इंसान की ओ माय गॉड मेरे को सांप ने काट लिया.
एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. वो हाथी को देखा है सबने? हाथी, एलिफेंट, यू ऑल
Yeah,
हैव सीन
yes,
दैट. हाँ, वो स्टोरी सुनिए. उसको स्टोरी सुनिए कि जब हाथी को उसको बांध, बच्चा रहता है ना, जब वो कीड़ो रहता है, जो छोटा बच्चा रहता है, हाथी स्मॉल कीड़ो रहता है, तो क्या किया जाता है उस समय? उसको क्या करते हैं? बांध देते हैं चेन से. यू नो दैट वो उससे बांधते हैं वहां पे. पता है आपको स्टोरी? अब क्या होता है ना कि
no,
कुछ छोटा सा बच्चा जब रहता है,
Yes,
एलिफेंट की
ma'am.
बात कर रहे हो, हाँ, उसको चेन से बांध देते हैं. अब क्या होता है जब वो बड़ा होता है ना, तो उसको एक माइंड इतना उसका प्रोग्राम रहता है, वो उसको चेन आप निकाल भी दोगे ना तो भी वो वहां से भागता नहीं है. यू नो दिस थिंग.
Yes, ma'am.
no.
शिवम इज कम्प्लीटली ब्लैंक. कहाँ से हाथी आ गया? वेयर इज द एलिफेंट इज कम?
Yeah, yeah, I heard for the first time.
There's a story, you can just Google it
Habit
basically.
building.
Okay.
Yeah, huh. So it is like, you know, why I'll tell you, because the mind is programmed like that. When an elephant is a kiddo, that time what happens, like उसको ना बांध दिया जाता है चेन से, मोटी चेन रहती है ना, so he cannot move here and there basically. So उसे बांध दिया जाता है. अब क्या होता है जब वो बड़ा होता है ना, तो उसको खोल देते हैं. फिर भी उसको क्या लगता है कि मेरी चेन यहाँ पर बंधी हुई है, वो कहीं भी मूव होता ही नहीं है basically, because that the mentality is like that only. Okay, one more example I'll give you. We all have different eating habits, correct? Some might be having like, you know, non-vegetarian, some might be eating vegetarian. Like I'm Jain, so we are vegetarian basically. Some might be eating non-vegetarian here, correct? So
Exactly.
now where does this eating habits comes from? That's our habit basically, correct? That's our upbringing.
From our upbringing.
Correct. So different people and different upbringing altogether, correct? So same way, how you program your mind, that is where the outcome is going to come out of it basically. So when we talk about energy here, यहाँ से London call कैसे लगता है? How you make call from here? Right now, how I'm making call to you guys? कैसे
From
लगता है?
internet.
Sorry,
Internet.
internet, but वो कैसे लगता है? मुझे पता है internet. How do you make call?
Ma'am, through signals.
Now Shivam will say कि when you
Uh,
make call, madam, to London, you make call from mobile. Thank you so much for telling me. Call कैसे लगता है? Now tell me.
मैम सिग्नल सैटेलाइट सब चीजें कनेक्ट होती हैं.
Satellite, correct? So what is that
अरे
satellite? That's the energy, correct? That the vibrations goes. So now when we give too much of impact on negative thoughts, what are you going to get the outcome of it?
नेगेटिव ओनली.
Like it's a negative only. That's how your body is made up of. So now how we can focus on positive thoughts and how we can focus on come out of the negative thoughts. कभी ऐसा होता है that you get depressed or you feel dull? ये सबके साथ होता है ऐसा?
यस.
okay.
We all get tired up. In this COVID situation ज़्यादा हुआ होगा I believe, right?
Mhm.
होता है ना ये चीज?
Yes.
होता
ये
है.
कब
Yes,
होता है?
ma'am.
डिप्रेशन कब होता है किसी को? एनी आइडिया? डिप्रेशन
मैम बहुत सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं.
हाँ,
मैम
एग्जांपल.
yeah, maybe someone said something about his personality or something, or
Correct.
maybe some incompletion of his wish, or his or
Wish.
anybody's wish.
Desire, correct. And
Yeah, so many other. मैम बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं.
Okay.
उसके कोई someone goes away from him he
expectations
loves,
की
like
पूरी नहीं हुई है.
expectations. Yeah,
Okay.
expectations.
And so simple लाइन में मैं बता रही हूँ. Depression, it's just a state of mind, right? Any emotion is a state of mind. Whether you're getting angry, whether you're getting upset, whether you're getting depressed, it's a state of mind. So where exactly this depression comes from? That is from the continuous thinking on one particular state of mind. You must have heard about it that anything or everything in excess is a poison. Yes.
Yes.
Whether too much of love is again a poison, too much of negativity, anger is a poison, right? Too much of eating is a poison. If you're any of your favorite dish, if you're continuously getting the same dish to next 5 days, will you like it? Will you like to eat again and again the same dish, even if it's a very favorite dish of yours? No, correct, right? So anything or everything in excess is a poison, right? Whether it's even
Yes.
is a love. So when we talk about depression, depression कब होता है? जब when constantly I'm thinking about the negative part of the life. When Akash said that when I feel like my expectation has not been fulfilled, when I'm focused toward that he has hurt me or she has hurt me, she has disheartened me, or whether like I'm not able to earn too much, or whether I'm not able to do this thing, health issues. So what are we doing? We are actually focusing on only part of the negative side of the thing. So what is the result you are going to get? You are going to get the result negative only. You are going to get the depressive result too. So first, the very simple thing is जो भी हो रहा है. I'll take example of COVID. Is that is in your hand to change the situation? Can you
No.
stop pandemic? Can you stop COVID?
No.
Can we stop China to send virus?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Even our honorable Prime Minister cannot do that, right? We cannot do that, correct? This is something called a natural disaster somewhere, basically, right? It's a nature call somewhere. So what is the options now you have? What are the options you have now?
Ma'am, to avoid the situation.
Avoid. So avoid करने से suppose आपके पैर में चोट लगी. For example, you got hurt, right, in your on your leg. So if I avoid कि ठीक है पैर में चोट लगी ना जाने दो, तो क्या होगा उससे?
And the pain will increase.
कोविड का अवॉइड करके कैसे करेंगे फिर? So what is the option now then?
Ma'am, to
It's like-
abide with it, उसके साथ adjust करना.
It's
कैसे
like
adjust करोगे?
ताकि वो मैम ताकि वो हमें भी हार्म ना
साथ
करे.
में रहते, दोस्त साथ में रहते हैं हम दोनों ऐसे.
मैम लाइक सब कुछ ऐसे चल रहा है, अभी भी चल रहा है कि
We have to
Go with the flow.
train our mind in such a way that like we have to explain ourselves. Okay, whatever situation is going outside or whatever is happening outside, we do not have any control on that situation, but we have control on ourselves, on our emotions. So we can at least do that thing so that we can avoid that pressure. I think this is
Can I
my.
have your camera, please, Dheeraj?
Well, today I have a very bad hair day, so I cannot come on camera.
You are taking session of positive thinking, Dheeraj.
No, that's fine. I'm
Keep
working
on
from
Dheeraj.
like morning 4:45. It's like continuously sitting, very tired, and have very bad hair day. But still, if you want to see me, then I can open.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
please, please.
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
love to see you actually.
And we all.
With the same hair, with the same whole day working wala hair. Okay, he's looking good, I believe, right?
Come on, man.
Thank you.
So yes, Dheeraj very much rightly said. We cannot control the situation, right? We cannot control if suppose right now, for example, someone is saying something bad to you. For example, in this particular session, someone said, Dheeraj, you are looking very bad. So see, Dheeraj just disappeared immediately, right? The camera is off now.
No, no. Actually, I'm taking this call
Just
from
kidding. Yeah,
my
just kidding.
phone, so I have to hold it,
Yeah.
so
So
I can
when I
keep it
say,
down.
suppose someone is saying that, like, you are not looking good. For example, I'm saying you're not looking good. So can you control my tongue? Can you stop me for saying that thing?
No,
No.
Because
no.
that's me, right? Whatever if I'm saying, that's me. So what is in your hand right now? If I say you're not looking good, so what is in your hand right now?
Nothing.
I will not take that statement, and until unless I will not take that statement, it cannot impact me.
Correct. So you can either react or you can respond.
Mm,
You only have two options. Either you can burst out and you can say, how dare you can say this thing to me? How you can speak about me like that? I'm a very good looking man and all that. And then or maybe you will not say anything, but you will start thinking negative in your mind that how can Tejal ma'am say this thing about me? How can Tejal will say this thing about myself? I'm looking very good. And then you will start cooking all the things, like, thought process in your mind, and you will start having that own self pity wala thing basically. That is one of the options. And third thing, as Dheeraj rightly said, I will not take that statement somewhere, right? So have whether you want to respond, whether you want to react, that's completely on your hand basically, right? It's on your hand. You cannot respond, you cannot react on the situation that the pandemic situation is going on. Problem hai,
mhm.
ye pata chal gaya hai. We know this is a problem. This is a COVID time and this is going to last for some times, maybe for 6 months, 1 year. You never know basically. So what can I do? I can only respond to the problem basically right now. So respond with negative thoughts कि क्या होगा इकोनॉमी का, क्या होगा नौकरी का, people are dying, tomorrow it might be me, मेरे पड़ोसी को हो गया कल मुझे हो जाएगा, मेरे ड्राइवर को हो गया परसों मुझे हो जाएगा. हाँ? So what are you doing then? You are actually attracting the negative vibes towards you. Right? And what exactly the energy says, whatever you think, you are going to get that only. See, universe का एक simple सा फंडा है. When we say, अच्छा, हम बोलते हैं ना भगवान हर जगह पर है, हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते हैं? Right?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
say God is everywhere. In any of the religion, we say God is everywhere. Correct?
Yes,
So
that's
when we
true.
say God is everywhere, that is energy is everywhere. That is only God. So when you talk about anything negative, what are you going to do? We are going to send that negative vibes to the universe, and universe is saying tathastu. So will is my wish, right? So you're going to get the outcome that only, according to that only, basically. So now when I'm continuously thinking negative, what is going to get? I'm going to get the outcome negative only. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
any situation, whether it's a COVID time right now, whether it's my studies, my personal life, most of the time, for example, sometimes you might be having girlfriend or might be having boyfriend, right? So अगर girlfriend ने 2 दिन call नहीं किया तो क्या होगा?
Negative thoughts.
Negative thoughts. क्या हो गया?
You,
Where she
शांति
went?
मिलेगी.
शांति मिलेगी, धीरज को शांति मिल जाएगी. 2 दिन से मुझे अच्छा कॉल नहीं आया है. Monica will say something else, Rashi will say something else, right? Rupa will say कि अच्छा है, right? So at the same time, अगर suppose for example अगर उसी गर्लफ्रेंड ने बोला कि मुझे प्लीज मेरे अकाउंट में 2 लाख रुपीस प्लीज ट्रांसफर कर दो, तो क्या होगा? हाँ, दूसरे दिन
गरीब हो जाएंगे मैम.
से ब्लॉक इमीडिएटली. तो जितना थॉट प्रोसेस था प्यार मोहब्बत वाला, that will immediately vanish somewhere else basically. When we talk about
So
any
true. So
emotions,
true.
anger, or anything, that is just a state of mind. So when we say कि दिल दुखता है मेरा, when we say ना दिल दुखता है, what is that दिल दुखता है? The heart is a pumping machine. It's just a pumping machine. So actually दिमाग दुखता है, heart नहीं दुखता है. Correct? Yes or no? Heart is a pumping machine, ना?
Yeah, मैम
You
मैम ये तो
all
थोड़ी फिल्मी लाइन है कि दिल दुख गया ये सब, ये तो
correct. So emotions are there, no doubt. We all are emotional animals, social animals. So, but whatever the thought process you are going to focus, you're going to get the outcome according to that only. So when you say when you say that I love you, when you use these three words I love you, what is the energy you are going to give? You're going to give energy, the positive energy. Right? When you say I hate you, so what is the energy we are going to give?
नेगेटिव.
Negative energy. When you say I'm not looking good, what is the energy I'm going to give myself?
मैम प्लीज रिपीट.
Obviously, it's like, I'm giving negative energy. I'll give you one more example. Suppose sometimes when we buy a new cloth, right? And when you are wearing a new cloth, right? At that time, हम नए कपड़े पहन के जब बाहर जाते हैं तो फीलिंग्स कैसी आती है हमारे अंदर में? अगर नया मोबाइल है, नए कपड़े हैं, what is the feeling comes in our mind immediately?
कॉन्फिडेंस.
Confidence, okay, and
We get
And-
energy.
Yeah, yeah.
We get energy. We feel that
we
we are
feel
having a lot
energetic,
of energy. We feel that we are powerful, right?
correct?
Sense
Why?
of well-being.
Sense of
Well-being.
well-being, very nice, okay. और ये क्यों फील होता है हमें? ये ऐसा क्यों फील होता है? एनर्जेटिक क्यों फील होता है? पॉजिटिव क्यों फील होता है?
Because when we wear something new, we feel that in our own inner soul that we are looking good, and the
Correct.
other people are going to appreciate it. And
Correct.
since our personality has been improved in that way, so we start looking confident. We are looking confident. We start acting confident as well. It is
Simple line is when you start
it is
thinking
mental,
confident.
physical, and emotional structure.
Correct, correct. So when you start thinking positive, then you will start looking confident, right? जिस दिन अगर suppose if you are not thorough about your subject, for example, and someone has asked you some questions, so what will happen then immediately? We lose the confidence at that time. Does this happen with everyone?
यस मैम.
आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स कुछ पूछ लिया तो इमीडिएटली थॉट क्या आता है? अरे कहाँ फंस गया मैं? आता है कि नहीं आता है? तो माइंड ने
ये क्या
कमांड क्या
पूछ
दिया?
लिया?
माइंड ने इमीडिएटली कमांड क्या दिया? That I'm feeling low confident right now. So most of the people, when we talk about the stage fear, right? How many of you have the stage fear here? Can you speak in front of 500 people?
यस मैम.
Shivam?
या मैम.
I have stage fear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Upa, you have stage fear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mohit?
Not at all.
Not at all. Aparna?
I handle
Yes,
500 students every day.
You had. They are actually very much scared of you now.
You may say that.
Yeah, so Professor Mohit, like in a video. Okay. Yeah. So Aparna, are you there, Aparna Jha? She is in. Yes, sir. Mr. Professor. Good evening, Mohit ji.
Hi.
Hi. So Dheeraj, are you confident to face 500 people? Dheeraj, are you confident?
Sorry, I was on mute. So yes, I can face even more than 500. So initial days when I, finished my graduation, that time I was low in confidence. Then I realized that nobody cares. I read some reports. People are more conscious about themselves, so they don't really give a damn about you. So after that, I am just like free. I can talk, I can speak, perform anything in front of people.
That's a very valid point. सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? And actually people don't care. They really don't care.
Actually, we must have the Kishore Kumar song "कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है क्या."
Correct, sir. That's true.
If you think like that, you are already positive minded.
See, it's a very simple logic. Is you just need to focus on your outcome basically. If you are very much confident about your subject, if you are very much thorough about your knowledge, if you are very much experienced about what you're doing, then definitely you will be positive about your presentation also basically. And
Exactly.
when I'm not prepared about my subject, suppose if I don't know at all, I'm an NLP practitioner basically, like, so we talk about subconscious and conscious mind. So if I don't have any knowledge about energy, so I'm not able to deliver this session also. Correct. So whenever we are doing anything, you should have that thorough knowledge about it. So when we talk about, again, coming back to the point of the positive thinking, you need to focus on what exactly you want in your life. Then only the outcome is going to get the positive only. Otherwise, we are going to focus on negative, the outcome will be negative only. Any successful people, anybody, whether it's Einstein, Einstein ka story?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
What is the story? Anybody? Einstein ka?
When he
And
was
he
a
used
child,
to
he could not
fail.
speak. He was a late speaker
Correct.
and a very shy
Very shy.
boy.
Yes.
Very,
yes.
very shy.
And he was not good looking person, I guess.
According to him.
Yeah. According. Yeah.
When we see Abdul Kalam ji, we see him as an idol, right? Like as in many of us, I'm not saying all of us, many of us, I see him as an idol basically, Abdul Kalam ji. So he was like, very much good looking guy, or he was very much awesome personality. ऐसा कुछ था क्या? Abdul Kalam ji?
No.
Yeah, he has a very good personality. I accept
Yeah,
it. Sorry.
that's what a great personality he was, right? But not like
His aura was awesome. I
aura
have met
was
him in-
great. That's
yeah.
what, correct.
He has a beautiful aura. If
Yes.
you are standing beside him even 10 feet, you
Yes.
will feel the energy he has.
Energy, vibrations, you can feel that. So
Yeah.
where does
I
it
fa-
all comes from?
Yeah, this is the inner soul aura or the
Inner soul,
energy of the
your
body.
thought
Yes.
process.
Inner
Yes.
soul aura, the thought process.
Yes.
And he was brilliant in that.
He was brilliant. He has never give up attitude. If you keep this never give up attitude, see, with my life experience, I'll tell you one simple thing. You will never have life ekdam perfect life. There's no perfect life at all. There's no perfection in this life, first of all. Second thing is, we are not going to live forever. छोड़ दो ये चीजें कि भैया मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए यहाँ पे. It's not possible. You're not going to get everything. Wherever you are, someone will be ahead of you. Wherever you are, somewhere will be back of you actually. So wherever you are, you're in a perfect place right now. You're going through your own journey. So never ever compare yourself with anybody, because we all have different journey altogether. कितना भी आगे बढ़ जाओगे, तुमसे कोई ना कोई आगे ही रहेगा. कितने भी पीछे रह जाओगे, तुमसे कोई ना कोई पीछे ही रहने वाला है. So there is no competition at all, first of all. We all have our individual journeys basically. So what should be my thing? I need to focus on myself. Yes, Mohit sir.
In a race, you run by looking on the back. You don't learn by looking on ahead.
Ahead.
Why? Because you see the people, those who are running behind you, you are competing with them, whether they should not come ahead of you. So you run fast. You don't run fast because the other person who is ahead of you is running fast. You got the point. So this is what the energy you get by looking back. So any point of view, wherever the situation it is and where you are situated in any of the professional manner, there are people, those who are ahead of you, and there are so many which are behind you.
Behind.
So every time if you see the people, those who are ahead of you, you get depressed. You will not get you will get the negative energy. And if you see that people, those who are behind me and they are chasing me to come to my position, then you will get very positive energy to that.
Yes. Yeah. That's
If I am right. This is what my personal experience and feeling is.
that's perfectly right, sir. And because if I want to really grow in my life, I have to see gratitude is very much important.
Yes, absolutely.
If you don't carry any gratitude early morning, you have fan, you have AC in your room. They're the people who don't even have legs and hands actually. They're the many people who don't have food to eat. There are many people who are parents are died in the midnight in their night itself, like, you know.
Yep.
There are many people who are mentally disturbed. They don't have earning. They don't have money to earn the food, basically. Right now in the COVID situation, we by the God grace, we are all are safe right now. There are many people who are died. Am I right? Yes.
Yep.
So are we really thankful for this thing?
Yeah, we are thankful to the God, and we should be.
Yeah. So if you don't keep gratitude, see, energy का एक बहुत simple सा फंडा है. The more you keep gratitude, more it's going to double it up to you, basically. You will get double of it. ये universe का फंडा है. That's a very simple logic of universe.
Sure.
The focus you have in positivity, the focus you have in gratitude, you are going to get more out of it. कहाँ से आएगा, you never know. Where exactly is going to come, but it is going to come back to you. Right? So most of the time when you feel depressed or negative, just say to yourself, this time is not going to be forever. This is a temporary phase of mine. This is a temporary phase of life. Everything is temporary, basically. What is permanent? What is permanent in this universe?
Only the nature is permanent.
No. Nature keeps changing, sir.
If I say it is the
And
soul,
the energy we are
Mrityu.
talking about.
No.
and the
What is permanent?
Not energy. The energy we are talking about.
Energy are permanent.
I think-
What is permanent?
I think death is permanent. I think.
is bound to
Nothing.
come,
What
right?
is not going to? Yeah. What is
And
permanent?
change is
That is
permanent.
Correct. Correct.
Change is
Wow.
Only change is permanent. Only change is permanent. So today, you were whatever age you are, जो 7 बज रहा था वो 7 गया. Tomorrow you will be one more day like which we another age बढ़ गई. कल हमारी एक और वहाँ पे. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Every day our cells are changing. You know this thing, ना? जैसे कि एनर्जी की हमने बात की है. Every day our cells are changing.
Yeah,
So simple
biologically,
logic है, guys.
biologically you can say like that.
Biologically it's changing every day.
Yes, we are upgrading.
तो शिवम कल तुम्हारी एक दिन और बड़े हो जाओगे तुम, पता है ना तुम्हें?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ?
Don't get
Yes.
scared by that, right?
और 11 month में तो तुम पूरे चेंज हो जाओगे.
वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक है बाबा, एकदम सिंपल लॉजिक है. पहली बात तो ये लाइफ परमानेंट नहीं रहने वाली है, राइट? हम लोग सबको, वी ऑल हैव टू डाई, वेदर इट्स 5 years, 10 years, 50 years और 100 years. तो हम किस चीज के पीछे इतना भागते हैं? कौन सा रैट रेस है? Even if you are 100 crore rupees, are you going to keep it with yourself all time? Suppose right now you have 5 lakh rupees or 50 lakh rupees in your account right now. But suppose if your mind is disturbed, can you use that money? Will you be able to
No.
use that money? Sometimes we have lot many things to eat in our kitchen also. We have lot many things in our house to use also. But अगर mind disturbed रहता है तो use करने का मन करता है क्या?
no.
Am I right, sir?
Yeah,
Rohit sir.
absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely.
I'll give you an example of Sushant right now. Sushant, you know this thing, right? Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm not going to justify whether, not going to get into any of the detailing kind of a thing, whether it's a murder or suicide thing. I'm just telling you, he was having everything, right? Everything, whether it's a money or anything, like, you know, body, look, charm, personality, reputation, right?
Fame.
Everything he was having with himself.
Absolutely.
But somewhere the mind was not focused.
Yeah.
Even if we will not get into the murder or the suicide wala theory, that's not our part of the thing to justify that thing. I'm just giving an example. Whatever has happened with him, whether it's a suicide, so or even it's a murder also, but it's all about the state of mind, basically.
Sure.
Correct? And he was having crores of rupees with him.
Sure.
But if you don't have the correct state of mind, you are not going to achieve anything in your life. So first of all, we need to be thankful for whatever we have in our life. Gratitude is very much important because whatever we have, that is a blessing for us. Many people are seeking for that. Many people are actually desiring. They're cursing for that. कि भैया मिल जाए कहीं ना कहीं से ये वहाँ पे. They're carving for all these things somewhere. Like, am I right or wrong?
That's
You are
true.
right, ma'am.
Yes, first of all, the gratitude is important. Second thing, once if you keep thinking negative, what is going to happen? You're going to get the outcome negative only, because the vibrations we are sending, that is negative. So now how can we stop thinking negative? कैसे stop कर सकते हैं अगर negative thoughts आते हैं तो?
Stop thinking something positive, what you're saying.
Okay, and
Or you can immediately you can immediately think that whether I need this thought or not.
thought or not.
Sometimes your brain is unconsciously, subconsciously taking you deep into the thoughts, so immediately you can give this thought to your brain, no, I don't need this thought, skip this.
So I'll give you one activity right now. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everyone. Dheeraj, I can't see you. Hopefully, you close your eyes.
You are not asking us to sleep, okay?
No, sir. Not enough. So, meetings में तो बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है, sir.
Okay, just joking.
So
don't
close
ask.
your eyes just for a second. Okay. Now, just see Taj Mahal. Can you see Taj Mahal?
No.
Yes.
Yes. Akash,
Okay.
Dheeraj. See,
Yes,
see
ma'am.
Aishwarya Rai. See Katrina Kaif. Can you see?
No.
Yeah.
सलमान खान को देखो. दिख रहा है सलमान
No.
खान, ऋतिक रोशन? Can you see that?
No.
Ma'am, like you are asking literally seeing or just
Yes, yes.
imagination?
I'm saying see Taj Mahal. Just close your eyes and देखो Taj Mahal. See Taj. Okay, just see yourself that you are sitting in a garden. Just imagine that you are sitting in a garden. Can you see that? Okay. Now just
Yes.
imagine. Then while you're sitting in the garden, your girlfriend or your favorite co-star or anybody whom you like, he or she is just sitting next to you. He or she is just sitting beside you. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now give them a tight hug and come back. Give them a tight hug and come back.
Yeah, I'm back,
सर
ma'am.
एक ही बार हक करना था.
मैंने सोचा आपने कहा पकड़ के बैठ जाओ.
एक ही बार करना था सर हक. सही किया. धीरज, have you done that? रूपा, पढ़ना किया हमने ये. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Dheeraj, have you done
Yes,
that?
yes.
Very simple logic is, you have given command to your mind that I want to see that garden. You have given command to your mind that I want to see Taj Mahal. Correct? So you are the Aka of your mind. Normally, when you get depressed, when you get upset, what happens? Your mind controls you. But actually, you have to not control, but you have complete command in your mind that you can give any command, any instructions to your mind, and accordingly respond to the situations. Basically, Three Idiots movie देखी थी ना? In that, Amir Khan is all is well, all is well, all is well. What was that actually? So
बेवकूफ बनाना.
अपने माइंड को बेवकूफ बनाओ कि भैया सब अच्छा है करके. Correct? But the actually belief system होना बहुत जरूरी है. If you don't have belief system, वो workout भी नहीं करेगा मुझे. Right? So when your mind is saying you कि I'm not feeling well, tell your mind no, this is not a permanent situation. As Dheeraj rightly said, that you can give command to your mind. You cannot control your thoughts, but what you need to thought, that you can command and that you can change. You cannot control your thoughts. But whether you want to respond to their thoughts or not, that you can change. For example, जैसे अभी मैंने बोला कि आप ताजमहल देखो, but अगर आपको नहीं देखना होता तो आप अपने माइंड को बोल सकते थे कि मुझे ताजमहल नहीं देखना, तो वो आपको नहीं दिखता उस समय. करेक्ट?
मैम कैटरीना भी नहीं दिखी एक्चुअली.
कटरीना भी नहीं दिखी
ऐश्वर्या भी
क्योंकि
नहीं
आपको
दिखी.
मना कर दिया कि मुझे नहीं देखना है कटरीना को. उनको ऐश्वर्या पसंद थी या दीपिका पसंद थी सर को,
नहीं दिखी.
तो उनको कटरीना. करेक्ट? So this is how our mind works. So जो एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, एक और टेररिस्ट का पता है ना, जैसे टेररिस्ट आतंकवादी करते हैं हमारे यहाँ पर अटैक करते हैं, ये कैसा होता है? ये जो कसाब वाला चीज हुआ था, ये कैसा हुआ था? बच्चा था
वॉश
ना,
कर देते हैं लोग ना.
16-17 साल का बच्चा था ना वो, तो पूरा वहां पे. करेक्ट? He was a very much young guy actually. कैसे हुआ ये चीज? Because उनके माइंड को पूरा प्रोग्राम कर दिया जाता है पूरी तरीके से, ब्रेन वॉश होता है पूरा उनका. तो तुम अगर एक साध्वी के पास जाओगे, एक संत के पास, तो अगर उसको बोलोगे कि भैया किसी को मर्डर करने की थ्योरी बताओ, तो साध्वी क्या बोलेगा तुम्हें? प्रवचन देगा ना तुम्हें, करेक्ट? वो प्रवचन ही सुनाएगा तुम्हें वहां पे कि दुनियादारी.
बोलेगा मर्डर करना गलत है ये सब.
करेक्ट, वो तुम्हें अच्छी बातें बोलेगा. अगर आप एक मर्डरर के पास जाओगे और उसको बोलोगे भैया मुझे प्रवचन दो, तो क्या करेगा वो?
मर्डर करने के 100 तरीके बताएगा.
हाँ, वो बोलेगा दिमाग मत खराब कर, नहीं तो तुम्हारा ही कर दूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. करेक्ट? बिकॉज द पर्सनैलिटी, वो जो उन्होंने माइंड को प्रोग्राम किया, वो आउटकम भी वही देने वाले हैं आपको. तो व्हेन यू सी कि इस आदमी ने मुझे बुरा क्यों बोला, बिकॉज उनकी पर्सनैलिटी वही है ना. So you cannot change or stop what people thinks about you. You cannot change what world is going through, what exactly is happening around you. You cannot change the government, where you cannot change the system. How can you change the things? You can change yourself first of all. If I want to change the society, I have to start it from myself. First of all, I have to change myself. Then I can change my family. I can change my surrounding. I can change my society, and then I can change my country. But that starts from self first of all. You cannot change the world. So any situations coming in your life, that can only have to change when we start changing ourselves. So power of positive thinking is, if you think positive, so definitely you are going to get outcome positive only. That's how our law of attraction works. So I'll give you one activity. What you all have to do. You all have that चावल ना, राइस सबके घर में होता है, चावल सबके घर में है, करेक्ट?
Yes,
राइस का
ma'am.
पता है ना? And you can
हाँ जी, ma'am.
check this thing in YouTube also. चावल को दो अलग अलग चावल रखना है आपको, दो अलग अलग केन में. बेसिकली कांच का ग्लास होता है ना, कांच का ग्लास, दो कांच के ग्लास लेने हैं और उसमें दोनों में आपको क्या करना है, चावल डालना है उसमें, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा दोनों में, और पानी डालना है. एक चावल को डेली आपको क्या बोलना है? डेली आपको एक चावल को बोलना है आई लव यू. क्या बोलना है?
I love you.
I love
I love
you.
हाँ, आकाश शर्मा गया. चावल से शादी नहीं करनी है आकाश, उसको सिर्फ आई लव यू बोलना है. वाइब्रेशंस को पॉजिटिव भेजना है, करेक्ट? यू हैव टू सेंड पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन दैट आई लव यू, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, और व्हाटएवर यू कैन से. यू हैव टू सेंड द पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन टू one particular glass. Second glass पे what you have to do, with same quantity of water, same quantity of rice, what you have to do, you have to continuously say I hate you. क्या बोलना है? I hate you.
I hate you.
The negative vibrations you have to give to that glass. After 4 days, 5 days, you just see the result of that, both the rice.
Yeah.
You just see the result and tell. You can give feedback to the Jitendra sir also, or even you can connect to me also. You need to give me the feedback. What is the result of that rice actually? Kacha chawal.
It is story as well.
Yes, it's a science.
Yeah, it is a science. Some few people can, by abusing a wealthy tree,
Using the
can
in
make
South
it a dry.
Africa, in
I
South
mean,
Keep on
Tare Zameen
abusing a
Par,
wealthy tree every
there's a
day.
story.
It will get dry and will be dead, literally.
yes.
This is what the
South Africa, they actually curse the trees. Actually, they don't
Yeah.
cut the trees. They curse the trees, and the tree get
that
died.
tree dies.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's a fact.
And then they cut it.
Yes, then they cut. This is the fact. This is how our body get impacted with the negative energy. You
Yeah.
can do this practically, and then you can have that experience also. So those who have achieved something in their life, they are focused in the positive side of their life. Acha, anything, even if you're they're the people who are very much hardworking, and they're the people who are very much smart into smart working. But आपने देखा होगा कई लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं लाइफ टाइम, but they don't get anything in their life. They're very much average in their life. What is the reason behind that? What is the reason?
They are not
Attitude and
channelizing
thought
their
process.
they are not channelizing their positive energy in a right direction.
Correct. And what is the reason? Simple logic is, if I'm thinking something, for example, if I'm saying I want to buy a Mercedes, right? So law of attraction, what they say, कि when you say the belief system, क्या बोल रहा है आपका कि मैं नहीं ले सकता, I don't have money to buy Mercedes, right? At the same time, if I'm sitting in the home right now and sleeping all the time, can I buy the Mercedes?
No.
That is possible? No, right? So how are you going to get the outcome? First of all, you need to have belief on yourself. Yes, I can do that, because if you have doubt on yourself, your law of attraction is not going to work. Your energy will not work because you have doubt now. So what is the energy you are putting in that? Doubting energy, correct? It's a negative energy. So universe don't understand positive and negative. They just understand your thought process. If you say that I'm very bad person, I can't do that, I'm a very average person, so what is the result you are going to get? You are going to get result according to that only, because subconscious mind stores everything, and then you
And
get.
even in the story of the Helen Keller, she was blind
Yeah.
and deaf. Still, she was able to read. She graduated and so
Yes,
much.
yes, because she had belief in herself, and the outcome was
It is said that her teacher had too much belief. Even her family members, even she
correct.
herself lost everything. But her teacher took so much belief in her,
Yes,
so much hard
yes,
work, so she was
yes,
able to speak.
yes,
And so
yes,
through energy, it is said that she could, being deaf and blind, she was able to, by just touching, she would know what the person is saying.
yes.
So much
When I
energy.
say about the instinct वाला चीज ना, we get intuitions, कुछ होने वाला रहता है. We get that vibrations, correct? Is someone, I'm missing someone, and suddenly you get the call. Suddenly you get, like, you see that person. Why? Because you were sending that energy to that person. अच्छा, sometimes it happens, like, that I'm continuously thinking कि इसके साथ तो पक्का मेरा झगड़ा होने वाला है. I'm like, 100% I'm going to fall down from this place. And what exactly happens? That
You fall.
immediately that really you get into any fights or somewhere you fall down. ये होता है कि नहीं होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
ये सबके साथ होता है. Why? Because the energy you are putting, that's a negative energy, right? So now how can you come out from the negative energy? First of all, whenever your mind is thinking anything negative, say immediately stop, and then you have to say to yourself whether this thought is really important to think about it. You can call any of your best friends, anybody whom you trust, any family members, anybody. You need to talk to that person. Share it out. Once you are out, you should not keep that thing inside you. That will suppress you more. That will depress you more. Then, even if you don't have anybody right now with yourself to talk about it or to speak about it, what you have to do? You have to write it down. उसके बाद भले आप उसको जला दो, फाड़ दो, फेंक दो, कुछ भी करो, but you need to write it down. Write all your thought process. Whatever thoughts are coming, write it down. Daily write it down. And then you read it, whether you will be surprised कि मैं ये सब सोचता हूँ या सोचती हूँ. You will be surprised watching it actually. क्या हम ये भी सोचते हैं?
True, ma'am.
So first thing you have to do, you have to say to yourself, stop. I don't want to think like that. Right? Because when you get addicted to something, that is all because of your weak mind process. Because of your weak mind, you are not able to control yourself, basically,
Sure.
Yes. So these are the things. First of all, you need to write it down. If anything too much, like whatever thoughts are coming, write it down on your diary or anything. You can tear it. You can burn it. Whatever you want to do, you can just keep it with yourself. Correct. Focus on the positive side of the life. That the life is really very beautiful. Nobody is more important than yourself. No one. 24 hours is only you with whom you are going to live with. Till you die, who's going to be with yourself? You yourself. No one is going to be with yourself. And if I am healthy, if I am positive, then only I can help my parents. Then only I can support my parents, or then only I can support my family, my society, my friend circle. If I am depressed, I am negative, I cannot do anything. Correct? At the same time, if I'm negative, immediately my health is going to impact me. And if I'm not healthy, definitely it's going to impact my body. And that is going to impact my life, basically. So focus on the things which you really want to get in your life. Focus on the things which you really are blessed about it. Focus on your circle. Focus on the things which you really want to achieve. Whatever has happened, that has happened. Whatever is done, that is done. You cannot correct it. But the present is right on in your hand and the future is right on in your hand. So this particular session was planned few days back, hence we are here right now. Correct? So present, because it was planned earlier. you all must be aware about very simple one line I'll say before finishing it, like smart goals. You all have heard about smart goals? Have you heard about smart goals? Have you ever heard
No.
smart goals? No? Okay. So your life should be smart. If you want to write it down, you can write it down. It should be specific. First word is specific. Smart ka first word is specific. Second, M stands for measurable. That we can take one more session. It is altogether one another session basically. Second should be measurable. A stands for achievable. And then R stands for realistic and T stands for time bound. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound. Whole life is actually the outcome of these smart goals. Even for making a simple tea, you do all planning and strategy, correct? How much of quantity of sugar you need to add, how much of quantity of tea you need to add, correct?
And please repeat after the specific.
Yeah,
Specific, measurable.
measurable, achievable,
Yeah.
realistic. R stands for realistic and T stands for time bound. Yeah, so we can take another session for all together because it is altogether another session for the goal setting actually. It's about goal setting. So in this particular thing, I'll just take one point is like specific. So if your goals are not smart goals, you're not going to achieve anything in your life. And above all that, your belief system. No matter how much degrees you have, no matter how much knowledge you have, no matter how many supports you have, resources you have, how much source powerful family you come from, but if you are not positive in your life, you are not going to achieve anything in your life. Yeah. So this is from my end. So you can ask any queries, any doubt, anything you want to ask.
Just one thing I
Ma'am,
want
there
to
is a
say
question.
is in this.
Yes.
So you can.
Yeah, in the whole this particular the summarize if I can say in the one word is in the Mumbai language, tension देने का लेने का नहीं.
तो देने का भी नहीं क्योंकि वो वापस पलट के अपने पास आएगा.
नहीं अपने पास आइए ना, दूसरे को दे दो, बात खत्म हो गई.
बट नागर जी मुंबई से है तेजल जी.
I want to ask, like you said, everything will stay here. मतलब जब भी हम कमाएंगे सब यही रह जाएगा. Then what is the purpose of life? Like मतलब क्यों ही करें फिर कुछ भी?
See, we all have the individual purpose in our life. Everybody's journey is altogether different basically. So purpose पैसा कमाना नहीं है. अच्छा एक भी tell me बहुत simple line में सर इनको मोहित सर मैं तो आप भी इससे relate करेंगे basically. बहुत सिंपल लाइन में मैं पूछ रही हूँ आकाश, तुम्हें 1 करोड़ रुपए में चाहिए, राइट? 1 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए फॉर एग्जांपल, है ना? तुम्हें यू नीड अ वेरी हायर पोजीशन इन योर जॉब, यू नीड वेरी हायर पोजीशन, यू नीड अ बंगलो, यू नीड अ कार, करेक्ट? ये सब चाहिए. यू नीड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गर्लफ्रेंड, अ वेरी लविंग केयरिंग वाइफ, ये सब कुछ चाहिए होता है. दैट्स अ बेसिक थिंग, करेक्ट? क्यों चाहिए हमें ये? व्हाई वी नीड ऑल दिस थिंग्स? सिंपल इसका आंसर,
लाइफ स्पेंड करने के लिए.
I can guarantee that even if you will get, you will be happy.
क्यों चाहिए?
तुम्हें ये सब मिल जाएगा उसके बाद भी खुश रहोगे क्या आकाश? इसकी क्या गारंटी है?
सिंपल लाइन है, बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी इन हैप्पी, आई वांट टू बी बिकम हैप्पी एक्चुअली. बट हैप्पी क्या मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों से होता है? जैसे धीरज ने बोला, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर तुम्हें 1 करोड़ रुपए मिल भी गया तो क्या जरूरी तुम हैप्पी रहोगे?
टेंशन आ जाएगी. और
It's not about happy or unhappy. It's about purpose. I want to know the purpose.
तो मेन थिंग इज ये जो लाइफ मुझे मिली है वो मेरी पीसफुली निकल जाए.
Yes, this is more
That is the main purpose of our life, right? एक जर्नी है ना, तुम एक जर्नी में हो, वो जर्नी अच्छे से निकल जाए, उसके लिए तो पैसा चाहिए ना. हम बड़ा बंगला क्यों लेते हैं? ताकि लग्जरी रहे, राइट? ताकि हमको सारी सुविधाएं मिले, ताकि हम कंफर्ट जोन में रहे, राइट? एंड ऑफ द डे क्या चाहिए? पीस ऑफ माइंड. अगर मेरे पास बड़ा टीवी रहेगा तो मुझे पीस ऑफ माइंड मिलेगा. लाइक आई कैन सी द बिगर पिक्चर ऑफ इट. इफ आई हैव एक्सपेंसिव मोबाइल तो क्या होगा, मुझे पीस ऑफ माइंड मिलेगा, बिकॉज आई हैव वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. क्यों? क्योंकि आई एम फीलिंग हैप्पी. अगेन स्टेट ऑफ माइंड वाला चीज, एज धीरज ऑल्सो सेड राइट नाउ, इट्स अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ना. हैप्पीनेस, सॉरो. अभी मैंने तुम्हें बोल दिया कि आकाश यू आर वेरी ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट, सो हाउ यू विल फील. द एनर्जी कौन सी दी मैंने तुम्हें? पॉजिटिव एनर्जी दी. तो क्या तुमने फील किया? पॉजिटिव फील किया. इफ आई से कि आकाश तुम अच्छे इंसान नहीं हो, तो तुमने क्या किया? अगर सपोज तुमने उस बात को ले लिया तो क्या होगा? तुम नेगेटिव फील करोगे उस चीज पे. तो दैट्स ऑल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड ना बेसिकली. So even if I have 100 rupees in my pocket right now, if I have 1 lakh rupees in my pocket right now, whether I feel happy or not, whether I feel peaceful or not, that's all state of mind. So no matter whatever you're doing, whether you are earning 1 crore, you can do anything. But the main purpose of life to be in peace. You should be at peace basically. That's the purpose of life. Whether you have bungalow, whether if you have like a small house, whether you have anything basically. The purpose of life is how good you can survive this journey basically. That's what is the purpose. कितना भी कमा लो ना, कुछ भी कर लो, तुम चाहते क्या हो कि मैं ये कमा भी लूं तो क्या चाहूंगा मैं? I want to be happy, I want to be peaceful. That's what is the purpose of life, ना?
Yes.
Correct? We are all here for a journey. That's a fact thing. But we are into a rat race. दौड़ते रहते हैं उसके पीछे उसके पीछे. इवन मेरा ये नहीं कहना है कि भैया तुम लाइफ में कुछ गोल ही मत रखो, करोड़पति मत बनो, या ये नहीं कह रही हूँ मैं. आई एम सेइंग जो भी कर रहे हो, डू इट पीसफुल. अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज नॉट इज द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ. दिस इज व्हाट इज द जर्नी यू आर सर्वाइविंग बेसिकली.
Yeah.
Correct, Akash?
Yeah.
Yes. So,
और
anyone else?
और मौका मिले तो एक बार विपासना में जरूर जाना. तो
हाँ.
आकाश तुम्हें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल जाएंगे. मैं वहाँ गया था, इट्स अ लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. अब कोई क्वेश्चन बचा ही नहीं है.
विपासना
बहुत ऊंची चीज है, अभी उसके लिए रहने दो.
इसके लिए सर उसको अभी थोड़ा इनिशियली यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग मेडिटेशन एट होम, जस्ट फॉर 5 सेकंड 10 सेकंड 5 मिनट 2 मिनट. और मेडिटेशन इज नथिंग एल्स, जस्ट concentrating on one point of thing, nothing else.
Just think
matter-
like that universe, that the life which we are living in, we are just playing our role in that. Just like Shakespeare has also said that we have come here to play our role and then we will finish off. So this is what the life is basically. You have to be happy, you have to think positive.
No one really cares what you have. No one really
Exactly.
cares. कोई किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम्हें आज तुम्हें अवार्ड मिल गया तो बोलेंगे अरे वाओ आकाश, यू आर अ ब्रिलियंट पर्सन, यू गॉट एन अवार्ड. और कल अगर डिजास्टर हो गया तो बोलेंगे अरे आकाश तुम तो कितने बुरे इंसान हो.
It changes in a structure of
Yes,
seconds.
that's
You know,
how
the
is the human
personality.
mentality is like, you know. So if I
Just
keep,
Just
Yeah.
see the Riya Chakravarti. Other day she was a heroine and a model, and she has become the villain today, the biggest villain of the India.
yeah. कल
And
कल
tomorrow
कोई-
if she
कल
comes
कल
out,
कल अगर कोई नया वीडियो आ जाता है उसके सपोर्ट में, तो लोग उसके सपोर्ट में हो जाएंगे. वहां पर कुछ नया
now
वीडियो फ्लैश हो
she will
जाता है.
again become heroine.
She will again become a heroine basically. That's
it's
how
just
the
a
human
picture.
mentality is.
Yes.
इसलिए कभी भी I don't know whether you guys have seen that movie हमारा दिल आपके पास है, ऐश्वर्या राय की एंड अनिल कपूर की. Have you seen that movie? Dheeraj, have you seen that? Just एक scene था उसमें. So I want to just give one example before closing it. यहाँ पे ऐश्वर्या राय got raped by one of the gundas in that area basically, right? So वहाँ के जो local उनकी society के लोग थे ना, they were not ready to accept her because she has gone through that particular situation basically. So यहाँ पे Anil Kapoor come in the picture and then he said कि like, you know, I'll take care of her. I know this girl and I'll take the responsibility. So she start living in his house just like, you know, as a guest basically. और थोड़े दिन के बाद थोड़े दिन निकल जाता है, जब few months ओवर हो जाता है तो अनिल कपूर उसे अपनी कंपनी में जनरल मैनेजर बनाता है, जो कि वो ऑलरेडी वेरी एजुकेटेड हाईली क्वालिफाइड थी वहां पे. So as soon as this girl become the general manager, those who were abusing her, those who were like talking bad about her, they went to her and said, "Ma'am, please मेरे भैया को, मेरी जिया जी को नौकरी दे दो ना वहाँ पे please."
Mhm. Yeah, exactly. It happens.
Only the thing was the Anil Kapoor say to her, like, you know, to Aishwarya Rai comes back and say कि जैसे उस दिन इनकी गालियां जो दे रहे थे वो नकली थी, वैसे आज इनकी तारीफ भी नकली है. So don't get impacted whether from that praising or whether even if suppose people say anything to you, you need to just focus on yourself. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great evening ahead. Be positive, eat healthy, think healthy, and be calm and positive. Focus on your life. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
God bless. Bye.
Thanks to you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.